Hello! I have an activity I wanted to share with all of you today. And this activity has to do with taking care of plants that you might find around your home. Today I want to show you how you can clean the leaves of a plant, because sometimes the leaves might get a little dusty and dirty and look dull. So we can use water and a sponge to help clean them up and make them shine. Sometimes I like to call this activity polishing the leaves of a plant. I brought with me some things that I found around my house that I can use for this activity. Usually in my classroom, these materials might all be the same color, but today I'm just doing the best I can with what I have around my house. So they don't really match, but they'll still do the job. I have my pitcher, which is already filled with water for this video. A small glass dish. A ceramic dish that holds my sponge. I'm using a small sponge, and this sponge that I found in my kitchen, it has a side that is rough, but it also has a side that's smooth. I'm going to use the smooth side to take care of the leaves of my plant. I also brought a cloth because I am working with water and I might make a spill, and then I'll be ready to clean the spill with my cloth. Most importantly, I brought a plant with me. This is my coffee plant, and it's one of my favorites. I'm going to show you how you can clean the leaves of a plant to take good care of it. First, I need to pour my water into the dish. Just a little bit will work. Next, I need to dampen my sponge. When I do that, the sponge will become damp. That means it will be just a little bit wet. Squeeze out the water. The cloth is good for drying fingers too. I'm going to polish the leaves of the plant or clean them, and I need to be very gentle because leaves are fragile. Oh, this one's very dusty, but I can help that one. I could keep polishing the leaves of the plant, but I'm going to stop and clean up so you can get started taking care of the plants in your home. My sponge, it's a little dirty now, but I can rinse it. I also need to put the plant back where I found it. There's water that I did not use, and there's the water I did use. I brought my watering can. That way I can reuse the water to water my other plants. Goes the last drop. One more. There it goes. I'll save that for later when I water my plants. Now I get to check for any spills. I found some. little bit more. No spills there. I'm going to dry my materials so they're ready for the next time I want to do this activity. One last check. It's all dry now. I hope you enjoyed learning how you can take care of the leaves on the plants that you have at home. Have fun. Bye.